Welcome back to the Blood Clot channel. In today's video, I will be replacing a brake chamber. It will be done on a 2019 Kenworth T680 MX13 EPA 17. Stay tuned. So, in case you're wondering why I'm replacing my brake chamber, this morning about 3 a.m. I got up, and in doing a pre-trip, I realized I was getting some feedback here from this valve right here. This is for the parking brake, and based on experience, and it happened to me before, I knew right away that one of my brake chamber on the tractor itself is bad. So that was one of the first symptoms. Currently you're not hearing it, but if you apply the, when you release the parking brake with this out, you can hear it escaping. It is more prevalent when you release the parking brake. If you're driving or you got the truck started, you'll hear it coming from the parking knob as well. With it apply, you can hear the feedback here. So that is the reason why I am replacing my brake chamber. So for today's install, these are some of the tools and parts that you're going to need. So first we have a 1-inch wrench. That's a 24mm, 13/16, 3/4. This is a 7/16 to adjust the slack adjuster, and this is the brake chamber. I had this in the truck for quite some time because I have already replaced 3 and expected the 4th one to go bad. Also, you're gonna need some form of light, so yeah, that's what you're gonna need for today's replacement. So basically, when your brake chamber is bad and you push the parking brake to release the parking brake, whichever one is bad, it won't get air to release the parking brake. So what you have to do, or what I had to do in my case, is on this brake chamber there should be a caging bolt right here. That's a caging bolt. So you have to push it inside of, there's a hole right here, and you turn it and lock it, and then you basically manually release the parking brake. So that's what I had to do to make the delivery. And so now I'm in a parking lot, I'm going to release it. So if you check your brake chamber, there should be a nut and a bolt and a washer. It's called a caging bolt, and you have to cage the brake chamber to take it off. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So first thing I'm going to do is remove these ear lines. This one is a 19 and the other one uses a 24. Next, I'm going to use 716 to back the tension of the brake. Next, use 24 to remove 1, 2. Now that we got the old brake chamber off, I'm gonna place it exactly beside this one and take off each of these air fitting. Then I'm going to use some tester tape and transfer them exactly. And the surface one is always bigger than the parking or emergency brake one. So yeah. So what I did was transfer these fittings from this to this one, and I use 21 and 1. So time to reinstall this one. So I already replaced the part, so I'm just gonna quickly check to make sure everything is good. So when I push in that, you can hear it stopped. So time to check outside. No more sound, so everything is good now. So this is the end of the video, guys. All in all, as I said, I've done it a couple of times before, so it's not that really difficult for me, but for you it may be a little challenging at first, but over time you'll get it. So everything is good now, and just time to hit the road. So if you had found anything useful or valuable from this video, please don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So until then, just keep trucking. Peace. I'm out.